saying Thursday session. Now we are going to cook in the mud stove using firewoods. Let's start. This is Amikal. Now my mummy is keeping the stick in mud stove. Water is boiling. See? Now my mummy is putting rice in boiling water. This is Amikal. Now we are going to cook in mud pot. See, we preparing in rasam in one pot.
மண்பானையில் ரசம் வைக்கிற தம்பி.
Yes.
வெரி குட்.